Hi everyone, it's Josh here from JDG. In today's video I'm talking about pets, specifically the changes coming under the Renters' Rights Act, what landlords can and can't ask for, and how we manage this sensibly at JDG. Under the new rules, tenants will have stronger legal right to request permission to keep a pet in their home. Landlords will still be able to refuse, but they'll need a reasonable justification for doing so. In other words, a blanket no pets policy will no longer be appropriate, and each request will need to be considered fairly. The reasonable excuses will likely be limited, but key ones include things such as superior leases, like in a block of flats, which refuses pets in the building as a whole. One really important point for landlords is this: you will not be able to charge any additional deposit or pet-specific insurance premium. The deposit cap introduced under the Tenant Fees Act in 2019 remains in place, and that's not going to change. You can't take an extra pet deposit, you can't add a pet top-up, and you can't require the tenant take out any pet insurance as a condition of approving the pet. So how do you protect your property? That's where having a clear process matters, and that's something we already do well here at JDG. If a pet is agreed, whether it's at the start of the tenancy or partway through, we put in additional pet clauses in place. These clauses set out the tenant's responsibilities in very clear terms. Things like professional flea treatment, keeping things clean, and fair wear and tear will not be considered for anything damaged by pets. So it's really important that they understand that from the start, and that these things can be deducted from the existing deposit if there is excessive wear or avoidable damage at the end of the tenancy. It means everyone knows exactly where they stand, and you as a landlord have much greater protection. It's also worth remembering that many good tenants do have pets. Allowing one can actually boost long-term stability. Pet owners tend to move less frequently. They value being treated fairly and look after their homes. And with the right safeguards in place, this can actually work in your favour. So what does this mean for you? It means that whenever a pet request comes in, we'll review it carefully. We'll talk to you about it and the suitability, gather the information we need about the pet, and put the correct clauses in place if permission is granted. You won't have to worry about compliance, the paperwork, or the boundaries. We'll handle all of that for you. If you do have any questions about pets in properties, you know where I am. Give us a call.